Hey, it's Joanne on the At Home playlist on the Broadcast Sunny channel. I had dug up two bushes recently, and I was getting ready to do the third, and I thought I would show you. It is pulling out the bush as well as its stump, and I always think it's nice to see someone else do it, to see what challenges they face, so I am prepared when I do it. So enjoy. The bush that we're taking out is that tall, scrawny one in the back. The front short ones are azaleas. This is the base of the bush we're taking out. And you can see there's nothing to it, and that's why we're taking it out. So this is a lopper, and this will be taking off the branches of the bush, because obviously taking out the stump is not as simple as yanking it out. But you'll see I'm not taking out the branches all the way at the base, and you'll see why in a moment. I'm going to speed up the film here so you get the picture of how I did it, but without spending so much time on it. Before I start on this, keep this handy in case you need to cut roots. Before I start using the shovel, I like to step on it to loosen up the roots. You can see the ground coming up all around it, the roots, which is good to know where the roots are so I can cut those with the cutters, branch cutters. Anyway, I'm gonna step on this. I don't think you can see it with phone. Alright, I think I'm going to have to start using the shovel. The plan is to use the shovel to chop all around the bush, and then bring the shovel underneath as far as it can go underneath the roots and pop it up. The challenge, of course, is the roots. I'm going to speed up the film here so you can get a general idea of what I did, but not spend so much time on it. Get it in, hold on. Push it in from the top. And then you start lifting it. I don't know if you can hear it, but it's starting to pop. So I want to do that all around. I did it further out into the dirt just so I can get it out of the grass, out of the dirt.
I do both, so you can see if there's a root under it.
Oh.
Especially for one on the top.
Thanks for watching, and if you like this video, please like, share, subscribe, and support this channel. Thanks.